Hi, I'm Marvin Mark Edel Llamas from BSITP 1. I'm going to show you the gadgets can help you with your study. Number 1. Google Classroom. Help educator create engaging learning experience they can personalize, manage, and measure. Part of Google Workplace for Education. It empowers educators and enhance their impact and prepare students for the future. Number 2 Kahoot is our all-in-one teaching toolkit for engaging lesson, homework and assignment, review and assessment. Number 3 is Quizlet, a website and mobile app designed to help the student learn and study through interactive flashcard, quizzes, and games. Zoom. Number 4. Zoom helps consolidate communication, connect people, and collaborate better together in the boardroom, classroom, operating room, and anywhere in between. Now, let's proceed to physical activity apps and gadgets. The Fitbit apps delivers a personalized experience to give you a deeper understanding of your stats and progress while providing insight to help you react your goals. Smartwatch. If you're starting to weight loss plan, consider wearing a fitness tracker like a stopwatch or bracelet that track step, speed, and calories burn and allow you to set goals, program reminders, and monitor your progress. Strava, GPS cycling and running app. Strava lets you tracking your running and riding with GPS joining challenge, share photos from your activities, and follow friends. Now, and last, Night Training Club is an exercise app for your fitness progress and mind with guidance from your favorite fitness trainers, athletes, and experts. That's all. Physical activity apps and gadgets. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.